HomeeoGuru. Please subscribe our channel, press bell icon to get continuous updates about new videos. Topic based video part 25. German measles. German measles, also known as rubella, 3 days measles, caused by Toga virus. Incubation period 2 to 3 weeks. Classical triad of rubella: cataract, cardiac abnormalities, and deafness. In eyes, cataract, glaucoma, microphthalmia. Ear, sensory neural deafness. Heart, PDA and pulmonary artery stenosis. Skin, blueberry muffin lesions. Diagnosis: increased titer of IgG antibodies. Most common test is HAI, heme agglutination inhibition test. Leukocyte count is normal in rubella. Prevention: MMR vaccine. Thank you.